Hey everyone, I'm Patrick from Biz Builders, and if you want to start an LLC in Massachusetts in 2026 without hiring an expensive lawyer, this is definitely for you. I'm going to show you the actual step-by-step process to get your LLC in Massachusetts up and running fast. So here's the thing, you have two options. Option 1, spend weeks navigating the Massachusetts Secretary of the Commonwealth website, filing paperwork, writing operating agreements, getting your EIN, finding a registered agent, and, well, hoping you don't mess something up. Or option 2, let professionals handle everything while you focus on actually building your business. Now, I tried the DIY route once in Massachusetts. Big mistake. Between understanding Massachusetts's specific requirements, the $500 filing fee, annual reports, finding a proper registered agent with a Massachusetts address, and spending countless hours on government websites, I wasted 3 months and still had to pay someone to fix my mistakes. So, yeah, not fun. Here's what you actually need to start a Massachusetts LLC quickly. First, obviously, your business name. Have a primary choice and a backup that's available in Massachusetts. Second, get a registered agent with a Massachusetts street address. This person receives legal documents for your LLC. Third, file your certificate of organization with the Massachusetts Secretary of the Commonwealth. Fourth, get your EIN from the IRS. Fifth, consider getting a Massachusetts business license if needed. And sixth, open a business bank account. Now this sounds simple, but Massachusetts has its own quirks. The state requires annual reports, has specific naming requirements, and the processing times can vary. One mistake can delay everything by weeks. That's why I recommend Taylor Brands. Look, they handle everything. Massachusetts registered agent, filing with the state, EIN, operating agreement, even help with your business bank account. Most importantly, they know Massachusetts's specific requirements and do it right the first time. Here's the best part. Through our exclusive partnership, you can get started for $0 plus Massachusetts's state filing fees. That's literally the cost of doing it yourself, but with professional help and Massachusetts expertise. So stop wasting time on paperwork. Use our link in the description, get your Massachusetts LLC formed properly, and start building your business today. Trust me, your future self will thank you. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more real business advice. I'll see you in the next video.